Hey beautiful friends, it's Karissa here. I have some hotel quality pillows for you today. These are a 2-pack. They do come kind of like vacuum sealed up in here. So I'm gonna open them up, let them expand, and I'll show you the process of that, and then you'll get to see them fully expanded to their beautifulness. Here is our nice large hotel quality pillow. I got the one that has the gray stripe. It is fully expanded. I let it wait for 24 hours. And this is the king size. Very comfy, squishy, amazing. Let's go ahead and lay on it. It is so nice. I love how large it is. I could go to sleep right now.